Have you ever noticed how just one tweet from Elon Musk can send Tesla's stock price flying or crashing in seconds? It's not just a coincidence. Elon Musk is not only the CEO of Tesla, he's one of the most influential voices in the entire stock market. In this video, we're diving deep into how Elon Musk's words, from tweets to interviews to earnings calls, directly affect Tesla's stock. Whether you're a day trader, long-term investor, or just curious about Tesla's wild price swings, this video will help you understand what really happens behind the scenes when Elon Musk speaks. Let's start with the obvious. Elon Musk has a massive social media following, especially on X, where he frequently shares updates, memes, ideas, and even jokes. The moment he tweets something Tesla-related, traders and algorithms react instantly. For example, when Musk tweeted about taking Tesla private at $420 in 2018, the stock surged and then faced intense SEC scrutiny. That one tweet led to a $40 million fine and stricter oversight. But it also showed how powerful his words are. In 2021, Musk tweeted about selling 10% of his Tesla shares after a Twitter poll. The stock dropped sharply in just a few hours. Fast forward to 2023, he teased updates about Dojo, Tesla's AI supercomputer, and robotaxi programs, and TSLA shares spiked within minutes. Even in 2025, the pattern remains clear. When Musk speaks, the market listens. Sometimes it overreacts. But it's not just tweets. Earnings calls and public speeches also have a huge impact. When Musk passionately talks about Tesla's future, such as advancing in AI, solving autonomy, or scaling production with gigafactories, investors feel bullish. But when he mentions supply chain issues, regulatory delays, or ambitious timelines that miss delivery, TSLA stock often pulls back. So why does this happen? First, Elon Musk is seen as the visionary force behind Tesla's innovation. People believe in him, sometimes more than the company's actual numbers. Second, short-term traders and algorithms scan for news and keywords from Musk and immediately execute buy or sell orders. That means price movements can happen within seconds of him speaking. It's emotional investing on a global scale. Now here's the big question. How can you protect yourself? Or even use this pattern to your advantage? If you're a long-term investor, you need to be cautious about reacting emotionally to every tweet. One moment of hype or fear shouldn't change your strategy. However, you can use these moments to buy the dip or take profits when the stock overreacts in either direction. If you're a short-term trader, tracking Elon Musk's social activity can give you early entry points, but only if you manage your risk carefully. It's also important to understand the difference between real announcements and distractions. Sometimes Elon tweets about AI breakthroughs or Tesla bots, major company-changing tech. Other times he tweets memes or random opinions that stir controversy. Knowing when a tweet is market-moving versus just media noise is a skill every Tesla investor should develop. In conclusion, Elon Musk's voice is one of the most powerful tools in Tesla's stock performance. Whether it's on Twitter, during earnings calls, or interviews, his statements move markets. As an investor in 2025, being aware of this influence and learning how to react to it calmly and strategically could make a big difference in your trading results or long-term gains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly Tesla stock updates. And let me know in the comments, do you buy or sell based on Elon Musk's tweets, or ignore the noise and stick to the fundamentals? I'd love to hear your take.